Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Before we start, I do want to excuse myself. Oh, we got Marissa. Because honestly, I am extremely tired. I feel like I am getting sick. If you could tell by my voice, I just don't feel too good. And it's kind of like 92, 93 degrees out here in SoCal. I don't know how you work on cars when it's super hot, honestly, because it's super annoying. But we do have to change out the alternator and hopefully get the Evo going today. Huge shout out to Jeff over at Raw Power Motorworks. He went ahead and got me an OEM alternator. As you guys know, we do not want to run AutoZone ones due to the fact that they don't last. So there's 3 different ways I guess you can do it on the Evos. The manual says to remove the intake manifold, which I think is too much work. Other people remove the alternator from the bottom, which requires you to then remove the CV axle from the bottom, and apparently there's an easier way to do it if you don't have any AC lines, which I don't, which is removing it from the top. So you do have to remove the strut tower, the fuel pressure regulator, loosen up the motor mount here, jack up the motor, loosen up everything on the alternator side, take off the belt, and then pretty much feed it through the top. We might have to move, I think this is the ABS module, I'm not too sure, but we might have to play around with this whole area just to make enough space to clear it. And then from there, pretty much put everything back in reverse order. We do have to go bowling with the guys later on today. So hopefully we have the Evo going and running by then. It is currently on a base map, so I'm not too sure how it drives because I haven't really been driving it too often on the base map. So hopefully this fixes the issues. After that, we can go ahead and tune it. But for now, I do want to get it running and hopefully test drive it today. Okay, so we got the alternator loose and off. We still have to snake it through, but if you're trying to do this on your Evo, I do want to give you guys a quick explanation due to the fact that there isn't many videos out there really explaining how to remove the alternator. So the alternator kind of sits like this, right? So first thing you do is you take off the belt with a 1/2-inch drive done through here. After you get the belt loose, you do have to unplug it from here. So it's just a push clip you take off. You then loosen this, which is a 12, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 12, it's a nut. You take that off, unplug the wire. After that, you're gonna take the bolt from the bottom, which is right here. So it's a square setup. You have to take this off. It's a 14. This one was a pain in the butt. It took us forever, honestly. Luckily, Marissa has skinny hands, and I was able to kind of break it loose when she put the wrench on there.
You chose the best part.
And then after that, you come up top and you take off the 12mm up here. That leaves you with what we have now, which I still see the alternator bracket in the way. I don't think it's gonna fit as far as right now. So I'll go ahead and put you guys on the GoPro. We'll figure it out, and then I'll tell you guys what we did in order to get it out. This side up.
I think I might need to help you.
Yeah, it's a tight fit, really tight fit.
But it definitely gave us some...
Yeah, some more room for sure. Alright, so we tried to feed the alternator back out, but it wasn't fitting. So the next thing we did was get this alternator bracket off, which Marissa did by taking off these two 12mm bolts. We also went ahead and removed the motor mount, jacked it up as high as we can.
19 and a 17.
19, 17, correct. And this is how much space we have so far. I might have to remove the fuel pressure regulator here, and I don't know how to really remove this ABS module, but yeah, we'll keep you guys in the loop.
He's like, let me grab the camera.
Finally, yes. Alright, so it was a pain, but you are going to have to, for one, take off your dipstick. Two, go ahead and take off the fuel pressure regulator, which is just held down by 2 little bolts. Move everything to the side. There is a sensor right here. You have to unplug right here. ABS module, so it's held on by a bolt here and 2 bolts towards the bottom. That will leave you some room to be able to push it that way. We do have the motor mount off completely, the motor jacked up as as much as we can, and then from there you just kind of play with the angles and make sure that you try to get it out as best as you can. But it was a pain. It took us like a good 5-10 minutes, but it's out. So at this point we are ready to put the new alternator back on, get this thing going. Hopefully the battery's good, because last time it died on me and it's been sitting ever since. Besides that, hopefully everything goes well. Put everything back in reverse order, and then from there we can get ready, head out to the bowling alley, and finally have the Evo running. Alright guys, so alternator is done. Unfortunately, we're not able to start it right now due to the battery being completely dead. I tried to start it a little bit ago, and as you guys can see, it's completely dead. Alright, she's plugged in. Hold up. My battery is at 8.6. Alright. No. From Evo to this, yeah. Chill. That's just bad. Look at those bolts. 12.2. My oil pressure is not hooked up, so that's why it's reading 0. On its own. Let me check the readings. Yeah, it's about to die. Yeah, this battery's done for. Pretty sure it's bad. Alright. I'm gonna take this thing in to get charged tomorrow morning, and then I'll keep you guys updated. It looks like we're gonna be pulling up in the sister's Genesis. Honestly, driving this car has been really fun. It's pretty loud. The blob's pretty loud as well. The exhaust sounds really nice. It has AC, tinted windows, so it's a luxury compared to that no AC and power steering life in the DSM. What do you think? Sounds pretty sick, huh?
Yeah, but the clutch.
Yeah, the clutch is kind of hard to drive, honestly.
Yeah.
Alright, we found the guys. We got Carlos with a Veloster, Danny with the Dadmobile, and we got Antoine with a Z, and we got the Jenny. The heck? We got the Evo 9, the Evo 8, Evo 6, Evo 5, Evo 3, 3000 GT, Stereon, Evo 10. Take the Evo 9. Come on, manual, boys.
This is racing, not bumper cars, man.
Alright guys, and just like that, we swapped out the alternator for the Evo, and unfortunately we were not able to start it due to the fact that the battery was toast. So I'm gonna go get it tested tomorrow. Hopefully we were able to save it. If not, I'm gonna have to get another battery just to be able to test the car. I'm pretty sure it's just a battery issue, should be nothing major, but expect a video on that real soon. We're also gonna go with the guys tomorrow to pick up a new motor for the white DSM, so expect a video out of that. Are you okay? We're gonna head back home. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We came out here to round 1 in Moreno Valley. Pretty good, pretty chill. We haven't been bowling in a while, so if you guys enjoy this type of content, keep letting me know, because a lot of you guys seem to like it, so I'm gonna keep doing it. And if you guys don't like it, then I'll just stick to the basics where it's just car stuff. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, and enjoy the rest of your day.